Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm showing you guys how I created this really fun and colorful smoky eye. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm just going to apply the Fenty matchstick in Confetti onto my eyelid. And I love to use this one as a base when I'm doing really dramatic looks like this, because it just brings out the sparkle of the eyeshadow even more. Next I'm going to blend this bright pink eyeshadow into my crease using a fluffy blending brush so I can get a soft and smoky effect. Now the name came off the back of this eyeshadow, so unfortunately I don't know the name of the shadow. But basically I'm just applying this into my crease and then I'm blending it out towards my temples to get that really dramatic, smoky cat eye kind of look. Now I'm mixing two eyeshadows from Inglot in the shades 290 and 297. And I'm applying these two right into my crease with a much smaller blending brush just so I can be more precise with my application. And this is just going to add more depth to the look. Okay, so now for the fun part, which is the blue eyeshadow. I'm first pressing this bright metallic blue eyeshadow from Kat Von D in the shade Paranoid onto my whole lid. And then I'm adding blue velvet from Nabla Cosmetics in the crease and in the inner and outer corners of my eyes. And for this look, you definitely can't be afraid of color because we're just gonna pack on as much color as possible. And again, here you can see that I'm blending out the colors towards my temples so I can get more of that elongated eye. Now I'm going to add a little bit of this gorgeous green color from Inglot onto the outer corners of my eyelid. And the shadow I'm using here is one of their body pigment powders in the shade 198. Here I'm adding a little bit of the Confetti matchstick onto my lower lash line. And then I'm applying Virgin Island eyeshadow from Nabla Cosmetics on top. Now I'm just going to go in and highlight my inner corners using Inglot Pure Pigment eyeshadow in the shade 111. Now for my waterline, I'm using two Highliner pencils from Marc Jacobs. I'm applying Wavelength on the outer half and Odyssey on the inner half. Then I'm just adding a little bit of Noir eyeshadow from Anastasia on the lash line so it will be easier for me to apply my lashes later since the lash band on these lashes are a little bit thicker. So now I'm just applying mascara and then Huda Beauty lashes in the style Sasha, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys again next week. Bye!